This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 69 of Building Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. In this issue, we're using a bit that I didn't know what it was. So I don't know what it is. A fire extinguisher that we built as well. We've got a couple of new pieces, a mirrored frame, and that goes over there just like so. And then that needs to go into the car itself. So we don't need those at the moment, or those. We do need some of these 05 screws to begin with. 2 of those. There's 3 in that packet, as ever. 1 too many. Keep 1 for spare. That one out, and then we can put that with the other spares. We're going to need 2 of those to put the other bits on in just a moment as well. So again, 2 of those out and 1 spare. So this is going through these 2 bits here to hold that together onto our main assembly there. That goes on there just like that. So that will hold that together with these 2 interior screws. That one there. And that one down the bottom. One there. Then the other 2 screws will go through and hold these little bracket pieces in place, which do have an orientation, the shaping of the bits. That goes in there on that top one, just like that, which also holds this together. And then the other one does the same on the other side. Right way round. Isn't that way round. It's quite located. So that one on there, same. And that uses up basically all of the screw holes we've got down the bottom here. Then this bit goes in there. There's 2 little holes remaining on the outside here, just about there, and the same on the other side, which these 2 little pins will locate into. A bit like that and that. That's not actually located. There you go. That one's in there. That one isn't. There we go. So I'm not entirely certain. This sort of folds down to cover over the rear seats and give you a big carpeted rear area, or it will obviously fold open like that, probably give you seats and the back. I don't know. I was expecting these to locate into something. Maybe that's what these catches are for. If you have it open, they're meant to sort of, obviously in the real one, would hinge open and clip it in place, open. Or closed if you so desire. The last part of the building is to install the fire extinguisher that we had from last time, that the decals are sort of lifting off of. Stickers are coming off a little bit. Oh well, I'm sure that'll be okay. and that just locates between the two seats. Just two little pins put through to hold that together like so. So next time is a big involved one involving the steering wheel and things like that. So what I will do is clear this out of the way and bring in the magazine to have a look at that for this month. So here we have volume 18 of building the Eleanor Mustang. Yeah, the world's most famous Mustang. It's quite famous. I don't know. I didn't know it was a Mustang. I knew it was Eleanor, but I didn't really know the name. But there we go. So let's have a look at what we've got. We've got the build parts that we did before and last time and this time. And next time, as I say, it's a bit more complicated. We've got the steering wheel and steering assembly, which we've got to assemble, put together, and install all of that. Is that a LED or sort of wiring? Is that? I think it is. Don't know. Yeah, so that's all connecting up to the steering wheel. Then we're attaching the chassis and the interior to the chassis with screws. Then installing the steering wheel. And then a couple of other bits. I'm not entirely certain what they are. Steering column, straighten the wheel, center it up. Yeah, all that sorted out. That's that. And that's what we're ending up with. So we're going to have the big thing to manipulate come next builds. So looking at Eleanor, quite a prize from Toby's Adventures. Don't know about Toby Halicki and Eleanor, unusual and entertaining site. Okay, there we go. Toby is a first-class hacker. Universe have gone in 60 seconds behind the scenes of the original movie. Good stuff. And the cars with women named Daniela, 2000 Cadillac Eldorado even. That's quite a nice car. Quite a good everyday sort of car. Barbara, Aston Martin, 1962. That's a nice everyday car. Not really everyday, is it? Unless you've got lots of money. Yeah, quite nice. Not quite one of the traditional Bond cars, but still up there with them. So the Ford Mustang Cobra. Yeah, that's all right. Again, an everyday sort of car. Nothing special about that. If you want to, feel free to pause and go back and look at all of these. Next up, we've got looks like a NOS tank. The engine detail. We haven't done an engine, have we? I really don't remember. It's been a while since I got the wheels down, so we'll be doing stuff with that, big plates and things to fit into him there, or her there, should I say, being Eleanor. So yeah, that's that. Thank you very much for joining me on this. One more part in this month's build, so I'll see you for that in a couple of days. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.